And now it's time to make our way over to Bluewaters Island, I believe, the JBR area, find the parking garage, park, and then we're gonna walk around the beach area, have some dinner, see what's over there, check out the Ferris wheel. We will not be going on the Ferris wheel. It's actually the tallest Ferris wheel in the entire world, and it just reopened. It's been closed for over a year now for renovations. They just opened like 2 days ago, but tickets are $40 a piece, and it takes a whole 40 minutes to go around one time, and the kids will absolutely not sit through that for 40 minutes, and for $40 a person, I don't even think it's worth it. So we're gonna skip that, but we will look at it, and we're gonna go see what it's all about. So drive over there now. We arrived at Bluewaters Island, walked around, and caught the view of the massive Ain Dubai, the tallest Ferris wheel in the world. Our best tip here, park at the underground garage on Bluewaters Island, and then purchase something at one of the island's retail outlets or restaurants, they're listed on their website, and keep your receipt. If you spend the required minimum, which is about 100 dirhams, you can get your parking ticket validated for up to 3 hours of free parking. Ready? Okay. Still got a sleepy guy. We strolled across the pedestrian bridge to the lively boardwalk lined with shops, a wide variety of restaurants, waterfront cafes, and hotels. Walking the boardwalk with the kids was so much fun. We spent time soaking in the atmosphere, the lights, and the views. We had dinner, bought some souvenirs, and at 8 p.m. we found a quiet spot to sit on the boardwalk and watch the drone show. There they go! It's starting! The drone show at Bluewaters takes place nightly during the holiday season at 8 p.m. and 10 p.m., with hundreds or even 1,000 drones choreographed across the sky, telling a story of Dubai's past, present, and future. It was the perfect way to end the evening.